Hi lovely people, it's Rachel and welcome to What's New Wednesday for the 7th of February, and it's all about the butterflies, this one. So it is going to be the shop's 3rd birthday this month on the 23rd of February. Wow, for a start off, 3 years, goodness me, amazing. I just can't believe it. It doesn't feel like 3 years, and yet at the same time it feels like I've done this forever, which is crazy. So in order to celebrate kind of all things EllieBeth and butterflies, I have some beautiful new things to show you. I have a gorgeous creative pack, and I have a beautiful new collection of kits too. So also, during February, all orders, whilst the stocks of these last, will be shipping with these butterfly dashboards, which I absolutely love. So pretty. So whilst I've got a certain number of these, and whilst I have them, then orders will go out with them, which is rather nice. So let's have a look then at the new creative pack. The last one, which was Precious, was so popular, and I know many of you have absolutely loved it, and I've been really enjoying seeing what you've done with it. This new one is called Flutter By, and I'm going to start with the journal cards and then go through everything that's included. So you have your larger journal card that's an A6 size of without change, there would be no butterflies. Perfect to use as a dashboard, clip into your planner, you know, however you want to use that. And if you were at the big meet this last weekend, you will have already got something similar but in a different size, which I did say was a bit of a hint as to what was coming. Then we have two smaller journal cards. We have this one with the butterfly on the rose and it says Flutter By, and then a plainer one which you can use for layering or as a background or however you want to use them. And those are on really lovely quality smooth cardstock, which to be honest with you I can't stop stroking because it's so smooth. It's like velvety, absolutely gorgeous. And the colour on those is just, oh, it's just amazing. So there we go. So that is those are the journal cards. Then we come to the papers. So you get 3 double-sided papers as well as acetate and vellum, which I'll show you in a moment. I'm going to show you 6 here so that you can see all of the designs all together. So the first one is the kind of the main butterfly and florals there, and then on the reverse it has these big bold butterflies on this sort of brush strokes. I just love how these have come out. I mean, you know, sort of just the detail and things on them, and the gold sequin and glitter effect is just gorgeous. So you've got those, they are double-sided. And then we have another one of just sort of brush strokes, and on the back of that are these beautiful teal and purple butterflies and gold butterflies. So really lovely. And then your third sheet will have the roses, sort of more of the blues and the teals on that, and the reverse of it are the pink. And these little details around here made me actually think of like a tiara or a crown of some sort on the flowers. So although I've shown you 6, that's because I want you to see all of the designs together, but you will receive 3 double-sided papers in your pack, and then you can mix and match and choose how you want to do those. I've seen a lot of beautiful dividers being made. If you're in an A5 ring-bound planner, you will have enough for 6 dividers. If you're in an A5 traveller's notebook, you'll have enough for 3. And obviously then, conversely, it just depends what size planner you're using as to how much you can get out of them. We then have, and this is where I've not grabbed anything that's white to slip underneath this. Let me grab a couple of things on here, because we have a really beautiful transparency. So there we go. So this is your acetate in this kit, and it is the kind of the purple and the turquoisey tealy flowers with the gold sparkles. So pretty. And I'm going to leave that there whilst I show you the vellum. So we have one with the purple and teal butterflies, and we have one that has lots of little butterflies all over it. I just thought they were gorgeous, and they would actually layer really nicely over something like this one. You could layer that up, or no, the little butterflies was the one that I wanted to do, sorry. So you could layer them as well and get a bit of a different feel and a different background too. You know, so have fun playing with that and just experimenting. Then also in the kit you will receive a sheet of stickers. So you have some decorative stickers and you have some little header stickers to use on the tabs that are also in the kit. And this month I popped a poll in the Facebook group, and let's just say it was an absolute landslide decision, because I said, do you want me to print the die cuts and tabs onto vinyl sticker paper? And basically everyone said yes, and no one went for the cardstock. So those are your 6 tabs, and then you also, and the obviously the headers fit in those, and then you also have these gorgeous die cuts, which again are stickers, so you can just peel off the backing and use them as stickers, or if you're making dividers or just in your planner, or leave the backing on and you can just have it as a die cut to tuck into the pocket of your planner. So you can see there, you just get it, you get a vinyl sticker. And again, you know, I'll just try and show you kind of the print on that. It's just so pretty, absolutely gorgeous. I was so pleased when these came off the printer. I was like, oh my gosh, they're so pretty. So yeah, so those are the extra little bits, and I'm just going to bring it out and show you everything once more. So there we go, so you've got those bits, you've got your cards, and you have your 2 sheets of vellum, 1 sheet of acetate, and then you have your 3 double-sided papers with the different designs on. I think that's my favourite. And where's the other one? I've put it to one side. There we go. And yeah, I think that's a close second. So really, really lovely kit. Perfect for whatever planner you're in, or if you're a scrapbooker, or you know, if you do journaling or memory keeping, you would be able to use this as well. And yeah, who doesn't need a great big butterfly in their planner? So that is the creative pack. The next thing that I want to show you, I'll just bring it back in again, is the collection kit. And again, it is the butterflies. So this is, some of you remember some of this artwork because I did it as a limited edition last year, and I just felt that it was just perfect for the EllieBeth birthday, really, because it is pretty much my all-time favourite artwork ever, and so I had to bring it back. So we have the full kit here, and I'm just going to find and start with the full boxes. So you have your 8 full boxes, and again you have that quote of without change there will be no butterflies, and then you've got your various boxes there with the cut line to trim it down to fit in the Erin Condren horizontal, or I believe that is also the size for a mini happy planner as well, I'm told, and the mini and the smaller hardbound Erin Condren too. So you can, you know, don't be afraid to take a pair of scissors to your stickers. What's the worst that's going to happen? You're going to end up with 2 bits that you have to stick in instead of 1, because you might have to trim an extra bit to put back. It's not actually that big of a problem. Then we have the Penguin Joe little mini sampler. So cute. Your date covers and washi pack. So you've got your 2 skinny pieces of glittery washi there. Had to put a bit of glitter in it. And then the ombre boxes, I was so pleased with how these turned out. I tried it with a pattern in the background and I just thought, no, do you know what, it's quite a full-on busy pattern, so I decided to do glitter. And then you've got your little flags as well. Then you have your functional page with the icons. These new round stitched icons are proving very popular. and my goal at the moment is that on next What's New Wednesday I will have all of these in single sheets and a mixed sheet in the rainbow colours. That's the goal, so that's what we're working to. Then you've got your checklists and kind of sidebar packs as well. Then you have your decorative sheet and thicker washi sheet, which I absolutely adore. And again, you've got cut lines to show you where the halfway mark is on that thicker bottom washi. Now, I have been trimming mine pretty much every time I'm planning in my vertical Erin Condren at the moment. So, you know, there's part of me that's going, shall I give you a thick and a thin? I don't know, but we'll have to see. And then you have the mixed boxes and your kind of little event labels, things like your meal planning and TV, and then just general ones there. So that is the full kit. And then the mini kit has the same little sampler, same functional page, mixed boxes and little things, full boxes and washi and deco. And that has been a very popular kit format. I also have it as a personal kit, flexible and tiny. So again, all of these come with the Penguin Joe little sampler. So your first page of the personal kit has got your strip of washi, some different boxes, a sidebar and a few bits of deco. And then you've got your full boxes. They're kind of Erin Condren horizontal size. But they work beautifully well in most of the vertical layouts that are week on 2 pages, week on 4 pages. So things like So Much Crafting, Ultimate Success Planner, Annie Plans, all of those, these do work really nicely in. Got a multiple habit tracker because it just takes a little less room. Then you've got some little things, headers and checklists, and also date covers too. So you've got quite a bit in there. And of course that is designed that it can then be folded, and there is like a little perforated line, and you can just pop that into your planner by punching the page and then take it with you on the go. And then we have the flexible kit, which is a very much more functional sort of setup. So you get a couple of boxes there, you've got date covers. These fit the Erin Condren as well, or you can cut them down to use them individually in a personal planner. You know, it is really flexible. Lots of functional labels, but also pretty ones. A couple of pieces of washi, some thinner washi here and headers, and then lots of checklists. So you have 3 stars, you have 5 stars and 7 stars, and those fit in the hourly, in the lines of the hourly Erin Condren. But generally, I mean, they're going to work in things like So Much Crafting lined inserts as well. So they are, again, really, really flexible, and you can just use as many as you need or trim them to suit. Robin, who is My Life Planned Out on Instagram and YouTube, she uses this kit, and I love the way that she does it. So if you've not seen her layouts, do check them out. And finally we have the tiny kit. So this one is designed to fold in 3 and sit in a pocket traveller's notebook. So again, it's got a couple of cut lines on, and you get a really good selection there. And what I find is quite often people get this and then they will also pick up the add-on sheets, which are available separately. So you can pick up extra boxes. And I made a little change this month. I've changed the big appointment label, which was like this, to 2 of these smaller ones, which were the new design from January. Now I am debating whether to also change the mixed boxes sheet in the main kits, in the full and the mini kit, to also be 2 of these instead. So if you've got an opinion on that, will you let me know? Because I personally really like these. They're a little bit narrower and they suit, I mean, they sit in like just the lines a little bit nicer. So I am just debating that one. So you can pick up extra boxes and checklists and habit trackers and things, and you can also pick up the headers separately if you want headers for your pages too. So there we go, that is the new butterfly collection, or I should say Flutter By collection, because that's what we're kind of going with a little bit. So let me pop these out. So this will be released at the usual EllieBeth time of 6 PM on Wednesday the 7th of January. It will be on the main website, so EllieBethDesignsUK.com. My Etsy shop is on vacation at the moment because I was away at the big meet last weekend down in London, and so I needed to close it so that I didn't have stock control issues, because I was able to do all my sales in person from the website, which was brilliant. Love Shopify, just saying. Oh, look at that sea of butterflies. A flutter of butterflies. Is there a collective noun for butterflies? Because if there is, I don't actually know what it is and I would like to. And then I'm not going to get everything in from the kit, so I'm just going to put those in. Yeah, so what was I saying? Yes, so at 6 o'clock on Wednesday the 7th of February, EllieBeth time. There'll be a usual discount on things on the day of release only, so use the code FLUTTERBY for that. And if you are wanting a bigger discount and you're spending over £15, do go and find my design team on Instagram or ask in our Facebook group, because they all have codes. So, little hint there. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing this. I would love to know what your favourite collection kit is. Let me know your thoughts on those appointment boxes. And in the meantime, yeah, let's kick off EllieBeth birthday month. Maybe not with a bang, but with a flutter. Anyway, I shall speak to you again soon, lovely people. Take care. Bye.